Hi, let's see how we can install Android Studio. So you can open up a Google Chrome tab, then you can search for Android Studio download. You can type Android Studio download, click here, then you can click on here on this link to download it. Then you can accept the agreement, then again you can click on this link to download Android Studio. Right, so it will if you don't have IDM, it will start download here. Right, you can see it will start download here. Since I have an IDM, I will click on start. It will based on your internet speed, it will take some times to download. Right, my download is complete, so you can go to download and programs. You can see this is the file I have downloaded. It is almost 1.2 GB, 1.2 GB. So once the download complete, you can double click on it to start the installation. Right, click on yes, and next. So we are going to also install the virtual device, so I'm going to click on next. So no need to change anything here. Right, the installation is complete. Click on next. You can click on start Android Studio, click on finish, and you can click on the taskbar on the icon. We don't want to send any data, so I'm going to click on don't send, and we have to click on next again. Standard is okay. Click on next, then accept the agreement. You can click here and accept, right, then click on finish. Right, so click on here, accept, click on here, accept, then click on finish. So it will take sometimes based on your internet speed. I'm going to pause. Now we can click on finish. Then this will create a new project. So you can create a new project. Just going to click on new project, and we can select empty views activity. Click on next. Then you can give a name for your application. Let's say my first app. Then I can check Java for the programming language. Then no need to change anything. If you want to change the location, you can change the location. So this is the default location. If you want, you can change it. Then click on finish. So this will create a new project for you, and again it will take some times. So I'm going to click on automatically here, and I'm going to minimize this. Click on yes. I'm going to minimize this. Right, different panels, and your Gradle is running. Right, it will take some times. Here it says 136 MB. So now this is preparing your project. Right. Right, I guess now your uh, project is ready, and if you want you can there are by default two files. So XML file is for the design and Java for uh, file for the programming. And you can see first it will give you a default hello world. So this is the design, this is blueprint view, and you can go to the code view also. This is the code view. By default there is a text view added. So to run this we need to set up emulator. So let's go to device manager. There is a medium phone API 35. When you are installing it is added, I guess, right? If you want to add one more, you can click on this plus and you can create virtual device. Then you can select a type, category, phone, tablet, whatever. So by default it is phone. Then you can select a phone from here. So Pixel Fold, medium phone, which is, I guess, we already added. If you want to, let's say, Pixel 8 Pro, then you can click on next. Then vanilla cream, already there, API 35. If you want more API levels, then you can select here and you can download it, right? A system image must be selected, so you can click and you can download it. So I'm not going to do that. So you can click on next and you can do that, but already there is a medium phone added for me, right? So I can just, to run this, you can go and click on here the play button. So it will start loading the phone in the running device area. So again it will take some times. You can see here. Right now it's loading, connecting to a emulator. Waiting for all target device to come online, launching up. Right now the emulator started. Now it is launching the app, which has only a hello world text view, right? So this is our app. And it has a hello world, right? So if you add a button, for example, like if you go to the design view, and if I'm going to add a button here, right, and you can constrain. Right, we have a button. So after changing anything, no need to run again. We can click on this app, click on this button. So it will relaunch it. So after making any change, we can run again. Right, now you can see a button there. You can stop by clicking on this stop button, so it will be stopped. If you want to take the emulator in a separate, you can click on this, then it will be, sorry, I think you can click on here, right? You can click on the window, then you can have your emulator separately. You can minimize, it will be minimized there, but it is still running. Then you can again click on this one, and you can arrange it to see everything in one window.